For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. In a recent turn of events, coronavirus vaccines being developed in China may be ready for public use by November. According to country's chief biosafety expert Guizhen Wu, the COVID-19 vaccines are in the final stage of clinical trials. Coronavirus vaccines are on phase 3 of clinical trials, and if everything goes well, they may be ready by November or December this year. China has developed 4 vaccines, all of which are in the final stage of the clinical trials. Accordingly, China has 4 COVID-19 vaccines in the final stages of clinical trials, out of which at least 3 of those vaccines have been offered to essential workers. Furthermore, the chief of biosafety expert stated that she did not experience any abnormal symptoms in recent months after taking the experimental vaccine. As per local report, Sinopharm and US-listed Sinovac Biotech are developing the 3 vaccines under the state's emergency use program, while the 4th COVID-19 vaccine is being developed by CanSino Biologics 6185.HK, which was approved for use by the Chinese military in June. In trials, more than 2,000 people have received vaccines developed by the Wuhan Institute of Biological Products and the Beijing Institute of Biological Products. A vaccine could be ready for the market as early as the end of this year. Meanwhile, vaccines from the Wuhan Institute of Biological Products and the Beijing Institute of Biological Products have entered phase 2 clinical trials. Both groups are associated with state-owned pharmaceutical group Sinopharm. Sinopharm and Sinovac are at the forefront runners in developing the inactivated virus against SARS coronavirus 2. According to Sinopharm chairman Liu Jinzhen, the company has been to United Arab Emirates for the phase 3 trials. The People's Liberation Army had earlier approved the use of a COVID-19 vaccine that it had developed in association with Chinese pharmaceutical firm CanSino Biologics. According to the World Health Organization, the most advanced candidate among COVID-19 vaccine is AstraZeneca's AZD1222. We had started the trial in Britain after regulators completed their review of a serious side effect in one trial participant there. The company will continue to work with health authorities across the world, including the FDA, and be guided as to when other clinical trials can resume. Currently, there are more than 110 COVID-19 vaccines being developed across the world, which are in various stages of development.